Welcome to another episode of Infinity Primal Core. It's your trainer, Muddy Red. Before we kick off today's episode, hit that red button. Please subscribe. Better yet, look in that right hand corner. Hit that button with that big old swole back. Please subscribe. Alright, let's go get this money. Alright, in today's episode, we got a Kettle Bell workout. We're going to be in 30-second intervals. Supersets. Alright, so the first set is going to be squats. 30 seconds. And after we get the 30-second squats in, we're going to get the alternating squats. And then in between every set we do, it's going to be alternating squats. Some good work right here. So now it's alternating squats. Still gonna get the full range of motion to explode. The next one coming up after the alternating, it would be the sumo squats for 30 seconds. Alright, make sure you got them toes pointing out. Stick your butt in the toilet and squeeze. Squeeze. Then after this right here, we're gonna have a 30-second rest to get ready for the next set, which would be the uneven leg lunges, starting with the left leg. So here's a 30-second rest, get it together. And this is one intense high workout. You gotta know how to push through it, get yourself together. Alright, it's only the first rest. Alright, now there's going to be the uneven leg lunges with the right leg forward for 30 seconds. At this point, you're gonna get your heart pumping. But try not to think about it, just go through it. 30 seconds is nothing. Get ready for the next one. So now we're gonna do the alternating again. Remember, in between every set, alternate. This will make it a superset. Constant motion. So with this, you want to get another 30 seconds. Everything we do is going to be in 30-second intervals. Alright. Left leg forward. Uneven leg lunges. After this set, you get another 30-second rest. So keep pushing through that 30 seconds. I know your legs are burning, and your arms are burning right now. Push through it. Alright, 30-second rest. You see I'm a really big guy, but ain't no excuse. Keep pushing. Getting this money. Crazy part about it, ain't nobody said nothing to me. I can give a thumbs up. I guess I was talking to myself like, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. It's a good push, though. So the next one is a stagnant Roman deadlift. Make sure you get that front toe up, that right toe up, and that back toe is pretty much even with your heel. Squat. Another 30 seconds. Now another 30-second alternating. Alright, moving on to the next rep. Left toe up, stagnant Roman deadlift. 30 seconds, remember, everything we're doing is at 30-second intervals. At this point, I'm gassing. But I got one more stage to go. Go through this. Alright, 30-second rest. Our last set will be the squat jumps. And they're doing squat jumps for 30 seconds. And this is a great body fat burning exercise. Get your wind up too. Get your cardio strong. Alright? Slow. 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 Now actually right now I should get a little deeper. To get a little deeper explosion. Second squat jumps all the way through. That was gas. Alright, that was some good work. Alright. So now we're gonna work over here to the abs and get this ab work. Alright, now we over here on the abs. This exercise is called the spider crawls. The first 5 is going to be at the intermediate beginning level. The second 5, we're going to add a push-up in the middle. Always remember to keep your abs tight when you're doing this exercise. It's also a full body workout, but it mainly hits your abs area. There's the twist with the push-up. Now we at the advanced stages of doing the spider curls. We're going to do about 30 seconds of this also. Keep it going, man. You gotta pick up speed a little bit. Alright, we're going to push on over to the next ab exercise. Alright, this next ab exercise is going to be the windshield wipers. But we're going to add another twist to it. We're going to go left, right, and once you get to the top, spread. That's 1. Left, right, spread, that's 2. Alright, so you're going to do maybe 30 seconds to 45 seconds of these windshield wipers. You can use a chair from your house, cones, or anything of that nature. That's a nice rep right there. Alright, so we'll wrap this up, windshield wipers, and we'll go over to the next exercise, which will be the in and outs. Alright, for the last ab exercise going for today, it's called the in and out. Like I said before, you can use a chair for this particular exercise also. Alright? Now in this exercise, you want to make sure your heels never hit the ground when you go in and out. Alright? I know I look kind of funny right now. I'm just trying to find a rhythm. Slowly but surely you see I catch the rhythm. Here we go. There we go. Alright? And at some point, sometimes you want to hold just like that for at least a tenth of a second. Boom. Alright. Now if you like this workout, like, subscribe, and share. If anything you want me to try to do, you want to try to learn, hit me in my inbox or comment just below, and I can give it to you. You know what I mean? I'll show you how to do it and what to do and what not to do. Alright? If for any problem, like and subscribe, holla.